First, press the power button to start preheating. Once the machine is fully preheated, it will enter standby mode. Then, press the steam button to begin preheating the steam function. Pour whole milk into the milk jug. Make sure the milk level stays below the spout. When the machine is ready, turn the steam wand over the drip tray. Short press the steam button to purge any remaining water from the wand. Press the steam button again to stop steaming. Now, insert the steam wand into the milk, about 1 centimeter below the surface. Tilt the jug slightly, around 15 degrees. With one hand holding the jug, briefly press the steam button to start steaming. Keep the steam tip just under the surface. You should hear a gentle hissing sound as air is introduced. This takes about 5 to 8 seconds. Then, slowly lower the jug so the steam tip goes deeper into the milk. This creates a whirlpool that helps refine the texture of the foam. When the milk jug feels hot to the touch but still comfortable to hold, around 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, press the steam button again to stop steaming. Immediately wipe the steam wand with a damp cloth to clean off any milk residue. And now, enjoy the moment. You've just crafted your milk foam masterpiece.